We're gonna be in the flood, right? No, we're in the flood. Look.
No, I remember it was like all of like, the things that I said.
Holy moly.
I just like, 'cause, like
We're gonna be in the flood, bro.
it's always like
Raymond,
from, like,
brace yourself, bro.
chapters that you've already done.
Brace yourself.
You just take like, I take my oral
Brace yourself.
and I just copy.
Brace yourself. Well, this ain't good.
I have my oral. I have my oral.
I think water started to overflow or something.
When I take them out, and then I
Wait, dude, what if?
Yeah, it's no big deal.
Yeah. So Raymond, I want to tell you something.
Wait, what'd you say?
Huh?
What'd you say?
No. Wait, what? Me?
No, what'd you say later? What?
Oh,
Before?
I forgot. You can watch the video later on. Wait, dude, what if you see salmons there, bro? Ray.
next time be her partner and then make it have partner.
Brace yourself, bro.
Alright, that road is closed.
Just go by yourself. Had them partner up there. You get your note. You'd have
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
heck. Oh, hex. Dude, what if fish live here, bro?
I need to have no part. Just in case. Yeah.
We made it out, Ray. What are you gonna say?
Made it out of the flood, guys.
Yep.